What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel, and today we have a $3,000 mystery unboxing right after this. Today's box also comes from my friend Chris again. He is actually moving somewhere, so he wanted to sell his whole collection. It was kind of a mystery. He told me a price, we kind of worked things out, but I'm not entirely sure what's in here. I know a few things, but he did tell me I was gonna make some good profit, so thank you, Chris. This box was $3,200, but we did have to pay $100 shipping because it had to come in two. He couldn't find a box for one, but that's totally fine. I know it's gonna be worth it. So let's go ahead and get right into this first one. All right, so don't look at my label, guys. So this is the first box. It's the smaller of the two, but oh, nice, Chris. Look at all this packaging, as you guys can start seeing stuff right here. Obviously, you guys should know what this is. This is the Space Jam Jordan 11. Awesome packaging. Number 45. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And this pair looks pretty good. Again, Chris, the dustiness, right? These definitely have a lot. I don't know if you can see. A lot just came off there. But as you guys can see here, the soles are a little dirty, but you know, once you clean those up, they're gonna look pretty icy. And you can see some creasing on the medial side, and there is, you know, just dust around the patent leather. A decent wipe down is gonna make these look, you know, very near dead stock. And it comes with the original packaging. You know, I kind of miss having the original box because I don't know if you guys saw in my last video, but that noise that it makes when you put them in like this. These are a size 9.5, so if you're interested in some Space Jams, you'll see it. For any of you guys who are new here, I do have this counter, and this is gonna tell us what the market price is of each shoe. And after this is all done, we're gonna see how many shoes I got, how much they go for on the market, and see if I made any profit on this box. Let's go ahead and get into this box. You can toss that one over there. So this is a size 9, a Nike Air Max 90 Premium Quick Stock. Ha. All right, so these are the Air Max 90 Chicago's, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys can look at these close up and see that on the soles we have a translucent sole, and it has different, I believe these are different cities in Chicago, different streets, and it kind of has a map of these streets and their cross streets. So it's pretty cool. Uppers have some really nice suede. It is really buttery. There are some creases and a little bit of dirt on the white midsoles, which is totally fine. I don't see any real damage to the suede, so these are gonna clean up real nice. As you guys can also see, the midsoles look pretty cool. It says mild sauce. And even on the inside, it says 312 and shy for Chicago. So these are definitely cool if you want to rep Chicago, or you're just interested in some awesome suede Air Max 90 shoes. These are definitely going to be a cop. Again, these are a size 9. So now let's get into this big box. So once again, it's nighttime. All right, so we opened up, you know, one decent shoe and one kind of whatever shoe, but let's keep it going. This box is really heavy, so I'm not gonna try and show you guys right now, but I'll take this huge one, which I know what this is. This is a size 9. It is the Jordan 13-14, the DMP, the last shot. So as you guys can see with this marvelous packaging, you do get a Jordan 14 in a black colorway, which is supposed to resemble Last Shot, but it does have gold accents, which is different from the Last Shot shoe, just because this is more of like, I think, championship type of stuff, so gold. These 14s do look dead stock, so that's totally cool. I'm assuming these might be dead stock. These are the Jordan 13s that come with it, super clean if you like gold. These do actually look worn. There's like some dirt on the heel. As you guys can see with this close-up, there's you know, some dirt on the soles. Let's get into this red Nike box. So this is a size 11, but it's in women's. So if you're ever interested in how to figure out, because there's a lot more Jordans and Nike shoes coming in women's sizes that are really kind of unisex. If you ever need to know whatever your size is in men's, you add 1.5 to that number to know what you're at with a woman's size, and vice versa. So let's go ahead and check these out. Comes with a receipt from Nike. Not going to show you the address, but we have a pair of Jordan 1 UNC or NC to Chicago. So these are really, really clean. Yeah, these are dead stock. If you see the soles, they're great. The quality of leather on these is really good, and I can see why people are liking these. And just a quick note, if you are interested in reselling, I'm thinking about posting a video with reselling tips and my kind of tips and tricks that I do into reselling, and it won't be really like that generic stuff like you need money. Like, yeah, it's kind of obvious, but if you guys are interested, leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys want that kind of video. But this is one of the shoes that some people that I've heard around the block saying, everyone buy up this shoe right now because it's sitting for like around 200, like a little above retail, maybe like 20-30 bucks above retail. But buy these up because they're about to shoot up in price. These ones probably won't be for sale because I'm gonna want to hold on to these and see if I can wait out that roller coaster of a ride. So next box we see here is a Yeezy 350 box in a size 9.5. Let's see. So these are what looks to be the zebra colorway. Also dead stock with the tags. These ones are rumored to restock, so maybe the price is gonna go down. That is something that I'm probably gonna try and sell for right now. Man, I can't believe these were going for like, was it like over $1,000 at one point, and then they restocked, and now they're worth like, I think it's like around 300, 350 maybe. 9.5. All right, let's see what else is in here. I see another Jordan 11 box, size 9.5. Let's see here. Another receipt. So nice. So these are the Jordan 11 Conchords, and I think that these are dead stock. There's just a little dust on the soles, but as you guys can see here, there's no creasing on the patent leather, and they're super clean. Let's see here. We have a Jordan 13 Retro in a size 9, and these are the, all right, so these are the bread 13s. In my first unboxing video, I had one, I called them the breads. They were really the dirty breads because this was actually black. So soles just a little dirty. They looks like it might have been worn like maybe twice. The uppers are really clean, just a quick wipe down, and these will look a solid 9 out of 10. And there's that holographic again. So you know, a lot of these shoes that he has are all shoes that played a role in the Last Dance documentary. So if you ever watch, I still need to watch it, but I just know from the history of Jordan that you know, like the Last Shot 14s are important. These are important. You know, the infrared 6s are important because those are all shoes that he won you know, championships in. So let's see, we got 4 more boxes left. So it's definitely a big one. So we have a size 8.5, which I think this is like a Jordan 6 box. So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, guys, like this is, I literally just talked about these. These are the infrared Jordan 6s. This is from the 2000, I think it's 16, oh, 2014, I'm way off. This is from the 2014 release. And as you can see on the soles, there is still some iciness, but yet also still it's starting to yellow from within. And that's just normal due to the age and just being worn. But there's not really any super heavy creasing or any scuffs. Usually pairs like this get really scuffed. These are cool, size 8.5. Let's jump into Uno Mas. So this is a size 9 Jordan 3 box. And here we have the True Blue 3s. This is a very clean shoe. He did wear it. These ones definitely look more worn than any of the other pairs. There's some crustiness on the soles, but the star count is still pretty good. There's not really any heel drag. It's just kind of dirty. And it still comes with that hang tag. These are definitely a pretty good pickup. And let's see, we got 2 shoes left. But over here we have, I think these are called the alternate 6s. Alternate hair 6s, because it's kind of like the hair Jordan 6 with Bugs Bunny. But these shoes definitely are worn. As you can see, these soles are really dirty. Definitely needs to be cleaned up, and I don't think these are really going for too much either, so this probably doesn't really help. So maybe we broke even at this point, but I think this last box, I think is gonna help us a lot with this counter. So this is the final box. Let me get rid of this. Boom. So as you can see here, it's a size 9.5. I'm trying to slowly show you what this is, because if you guys know anything about this box, this one has that special lid that opens up. Oh, you can't see it there. What a fail. So he put the receipt, so we know it's legit. It's literally from Nike. It says Air Jordan 1 Off-White. So we have the Jordan 1 Off-White in the UNC colorway. And the crazy thing about this, yep, I knew it. These are dead stock. So these are such a sick shoe. As you guys can see, I'm gonna send you some B-roll shots of this because it deserves it. This shoe is a heater, and I think I got lucky with this. I think I copped like 2 or 3 pairs for retail. As you guys can see on the counter, this is definitely the hugest boost to the counter, and we are definitely, I believe, in that profit margin now. So thank you so much, Chris, for these beauties and the rest of these shoes. There's definitely some good ones in here that I want to hold on to. I'm even tempted to hold on to these for a little bit to see if they keep going up in price. So that's pretty much everything. And as you guys can see over here, this is the counter and how much they go for on the market, and this is the grand total that we have. And after a couple little screenshot tricks here and there, now you guys can see how much I'm going to profit after fees and after how much the box costs. This is how much I'm left with profit. So these boxes are definitely profitable, and I'm just lucky to have good friends like Chris and different connections in the sneaker world. So if you guys are interested in any of these shoes, please check out my Instagram. It's @TheRealSneakPeek. And I've been doing a giveaway, so let's go ahead and talk about that giveaway really quick. I just want to say thank you so much. I am overwhelmed with, you guys blew up my comment section, seeing all of you guys tag your friends on my Instagram posts. I am so happy and so blessed that you guys are, I see the comments that you guys are saying that, oh, you should have more subs, or you definitely, you know, God's gonna bless your channel and stuff like that. And I really appreciate it because, you know, for me, this is what, like my 4th video, and for me to reach, you know, over 200 subs and to also be able to do a giveaway and just all the views that are coming in and you guys smashing those like buttons, it all really encourages me to make more videos and make more content for you. So I just wanted to stop by and just say thank you. So for our raffle, our winner is going to be posted right here, and if you guys don't believe me, here is a recording of me doing it. So as you guys can see, I am pulling all of the names from Instagram and from YouTube in the comment section, and so I'm pulling it over here and I'm putting it all on random.org. 6 spins, and whoever falls on the 15th spot, because the raffle ended on 6/15, June 15th, so whoever lands on the 15th spot after 6 runs is gonna win. And so as you guys can see here, we clicked it 6 times and the 15th winner is right here. So congratulations. I'm going to be reaching out to you in your DMs, whether if it's on Instagram, well, probably on Instagram. I might reply to your comment, and then I might ask you for your Instagram so we can talk and see how I can get you your gift card and what you want for you know, from it. So don't leave yet. You know, I have another raffle coming up. It's going to be one around 500 subs. So once we work our way up there, I want to give you guys something special for, you know, helping me make this process so fun and so easy. So that's it for today's video, and I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by. Remember, please help me by subscribing and liking this video. And also in the comments below, let me know what other content you'd like me to create, because yes, mystery boxes are fun and I enjoy them, but I also want to know what you guys are interested in. Should I make one about reselling? Should I make one about cleaning shoes? How do I clean shoes? Or even, do I customize shoes? I do all of those different things, and so just let me know. Write it down in the comments down below. I'll have my questions pinned, and if you guys ever have any questions, hit me up. And again, follow my Instagram at @TheRealSneakPeek, because I'll be posting, you know, all my shoes for sale there. And if you guys, like I said, if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. And so with that, I just want to say thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.